Now let us see example 8.9. Now see the question. Find the standard deviation of the data 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. Multiply each data by 4. Find the standard deviation of the new values. First we need to find out for this given data we have to find out the standard deviation. After multiply each data by 4. So if you multiply each data by 4 mean again you will get another one new data. So next you need to find out the standard deviation for the new data. Okay, so first to find out the standard deviation for this given data. So the next one multiply each data by 4. So if you multiply each data by 4 means so you will get another one new data. 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 5 4s are 20, 7 4s are 28, 8 4s are 32. So again another one new data you will get. Next we have to find out the standard deviation for the new data. So see the solution. First you have to write how many observations. 1 2 3 4 5 observations. So n is equal to 5. Here also simple numbers only. So better for find outing the standard deviation direct method you can use it. Okay, so any method you can use it, but in this question direct method is easy to find out. So first xi means the given values. Okay, so these are the xi values. First you have to write xi 2 3 5 7 8. So here for find outing the standard deviation we are going to apply this direct method. Okay, so this is the formula for find outing the standard deviation, direct method formula. Sigma is equal to summation xi square divided by n minus summation xi divided by n the whole square. So here xi you know that xi square value also you need to find out. So making the square of xi, 2 square that is 4, 3 square that is 9, 5 square 25, 7 square 7 7s are 49, 8 square 8 8s are 64. For applying this formula we needed summation xi square value we needed after summation xi value we needed. So summation xi means add it all the xi value, that is the summation xi. Summation xi square mean add it all the xi square value, that is the summation xi square value. Now can you apply here? Now we have got it summation xi that is 25, summation xi square after adding all the xi square value we have got it 151. So now apply here summation xi square value, this is the summation xi square value 151 divided by n value, you know that how many observations, 5 values, so 5 you have to write, minus next one already I said both one is not same. Inside first you have to apply, after make the whole square. Okay, so summation xi value that is 25 divided by number of observation 5, after make the whole square. So you know that how to divide. So 151 if you divide with the 5 means 5 3s are 15. Okay, so now next number you can take. So this number can you divide with the 5? No, so you need to put the 0 after here. Any other digit if you have, you can bring it down, but here there is no number. So then what you want to do, put the point and keep put it 1 0 here. So 5 2s are 10s, the remaining 0. Now you have got it while you are dividing 151 divided by 5, that is 30.2 minus, already I said before making the square of the numerator and denominator, first you can cancel it, after make the square. 5 5s are 25, 5 square mean 5 5s are 25. Okay, so now you can subtract. So 30.2 25, if you subtract mean what it will come, 2 here, 10 minus 5 5, so here 2 it will come. So now the remaining 5.2. so here the square root of 5.2 you need to find out. So already you know that 5.2 after the point how many zeros you can add it. Okay, so the values will not change, put it the 0. So next before the point one digit you have, so nearby this number, which two same number if you multiply means nearby this number you can find out. So 1 1 is 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, more than this value it will come, so that you cannot consider. So 2 2s are 4, the remaining after subtracting you will get 1. So after here point you have, here also put the point. Next step we need to bring it next to 2 digit, you have to bring it down. So okay, so that is 20. Now you have 120. So outside what you want to do, which two same number here you multiply, that same number you want to add it. So 2 plus 2 that is 4. So 4 with which two same number, that is 42. 2 if you multiply only you can get it. Okay, 42 multiply with the 2, so that 2 here you have to write and here also you have to write. Then if you multiply means you will get 84. So 3 3 if you 43 3 if you take means more than this value you will get, so that you cannot consider. So the next step after subtracting will get 36. Next step another 2 digit you need to bring it down. So next 2 zeros bring it down. So next here which two same number you have multiplied, that same number you want to add it. So this 42 added with this 2, so now 44 you have got it. So 44 with which two same number you will multiply means you will get nearby this number you want to see. So that is 8. Here also 8 you have to write. So then nearby this value, that is 3584. So next again multiply, sorry, again subtract. If you subtract, the remaining is 16. So the next what you want to do here, see, next 2 digit you want to bring it down. Okay, so here next to 2 digit you want to bring it down. So now you have 1600, but here what do you have? 456. This much only we have after adding. So 448 added with this 8 mean for the next step this much you have got it. Okay, 456. Now you want to see 456 with the 1 first, like that you can see 4561 it will come. But here this much value only you have. More than this value, if you are taking the least one, if you take also more than this value we will get. So another 2 digit you want to bring it down mean here put it 10, and here also you have to put it 10. Next another 2 digit you want to bring it down. Okay, so next to 2 zeros you have to bring it. Can you understood or not? So after subtracting you have got it 16. So next to 2 digit now you have got it 1600 only you have got it. Here outside what will you do? 448 plus 8 only you will add it, then you will get 456. Next you will see which two same number, but least number 1 if you consider also, least number if you consider also, more than this value only it is coming. So then what do you want to do? Put it 0 here, and here also put it 0. Okay, so next step another 2 digit bring it down. Now you have this much value, then see fourth together with which same number you need to multiply, like that you have to see, because that number not divide. So that's why put it 0 after we have taken next 2 digit. Okay, so now 3 like that you can see. Now how to write that approximately round off value? So here 0 only, so round off after the point 2 digit you can write. Round off the number 2 digit if you want to round off this number mean after the 2 digit second digit you will see here 0 only. More than 5 or more than 5 if you have mean you have to add it with one number here, but here 0 only you have. So that is less than 5 only, no need to add it for this one. So that is 2.28 approximate value. So for this given data the standard deviation we have got it 2.28. Next what you need to do? Multiply each data with the 4. So each data multiply with 4 mean another one new data will get. Next you need to find out for the standard deviation for that given new data. So if you multiply, what will you get? 2 4s are 8. Next one 3 4s are 12, 5 4s are 20, 7 4s are 28, 8 4s are 32. So these are the new xi value. Okay, so next for this new data we need to find out the standard deviation. Stay same direct method you can use it. So okay, so here these are the xi value now. So xi square you can find out 8 square 8 into 8 that is 64, 12 square 12 into 12 that is 144, 20 square that is 400, 28 square make it multiply and write. Okay, so 32 square that is 1024. Now for applying the direct method formula we needed the summation xi. Add it all the xi value, that is summation xi. Add it all the xi square value, that is the summation xi square. Now can you apply here? So now you can cancel it or divide. Okay, bigger number, so exactly it will not divide, so divide after you will get this value. Okay, so the next one here also you can cancel it first. 5 1 is 5, here 20, 2 5s are 10, remaining it will come. Now 20 square mean 20 into 20 that is 400. Okay, so after subtract these two things we will get 83.2 we will get. Now can you find out for the square root of this number? Now see here 83.2 after you can put it many zeros. Okay, how many zeros? The values will not change. So now see here before the point 2 digit, 1 digit if you have mean that 1 digit only we will consider. Before the point 2 digit mean together we will consider. Okay, so now here before the point 2 digit you have, together you need to consider. 83 having here, so which two same number if you multiply near the 83 you can get it 9 9s are, so 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36, 7 7s are 49, 8 8s are 64, 9 9s are 81, 10 10s are mean 100, more than 83 it will come. So that number you cannot take, so 9 9s are 81. So remaining what it will come? 2. Next, for the next here point you have, here also put it the point. Next, another 2 digit next step you have to bring it down. Now you have 220. Here outside what you want to do next step? This 2 number you need to add. So 9 plus 9, that is 18. So 18 with which number? Same number you need to multiply, you have to see. 1 only. Okay, so 2 if you take mean more than this value it will come. So that one you have to write here. Here also you have to write. So that is the answer. Next one, again subtract, you will get 39. Next to 2 zeros, bring it down. 2 digit only you have to bring it down for square root. Okay, so now you have 3900. Next step, outside what you want to do? Which number you multiply, that number you have to add and write. 181 add with 1, so that is 182. So 882 with which two? Same number, 2 only. Okay, so 3 if you take me 3 if you take me more than this value it will come. So you can put and check. So 2 and 2 here it will come, so that you have to write nearby that value. So again do the same steps. Okay, so then you will get this much. Now round off this number, last digit 5 and more than 5 you have, you have to add it one number to here, but here less than 5 only, so no need to add this number to here. So the answer is approximate value 9.12. So what do you observe from this question? See here, first the given data, one standard deviation, one value have got it. After multiplying with the fixed value, what value we have added, what value we have multiplied with each number? That is 4 e fixed value. Okay, so after multiplying with this fixed value, we have got it a standard deviation for the new data. What answer we have got? 9.12. So this is 2.328, this is 9.12. Okay, so different answer only we have got it. But the last question what you have seen, when you add or subtract with the subtract by fixed value, means the value standard deviation for both the data same only it will come. Add while you are adding or subtracting with the fixed value. Okay, but here when we multiply, not only multiplication, while you are multiplying or dividing by fixed value. Okay, so that answer different only it will come. When we multiply each data by some fixed constant k, the standard deviation also get multiplied by k only. Okay, so here see, here 2.28 you have got it. Which fixed value you have multiplied? Which fixed value? That is 2.28 you have got it. Here when we multiply each data by some fixed constant k, that standard deviation also get multiplied by k only. So this value multiply with 4 means, see, 2.28 multiply with 4 means what answer you have got? What will you get? 8 4s are 32, 3 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 11, 1 remaining. After 4 2s are 8, 9.12. Now see, this answer only we have got it here or not? Yes. While we are multiplying or dividing, keep it in your mind. While you are adding or subtracting with the fixed value, means both the standard deviation will not change. Okay, same answer only we will get. But while you are multiplying or dividing, which fixed value? Here which fixed value you are multiplying? 4. Okay, so first what standard deviation we have got it, multiply with the fixed value, means that answer only the new data standard deviation value. Okay, so 9.12 you have got it. So thank you.